Let's make a DIY version of hand sanitizer with essential oils. The main ingredient you're gonna need is alcohol. Homemade hand sanitizers and store-bought ones are both as effective as long as you are using the right alcohol content. According to the CDC, the minimum alcohol content to kill germs is 60%. Before we get started making this hand sanitizer recipe from home, here are some good safety tips to follow. Before making the sanitizer, make sure your hands are very clean by washing them thoroughly. Properly sanitize your workspace with a diluted bleach solution before you begin to mix your ingredients. The utensil, bowls or other materials you are using should be clean before mixing up the solution. Be sure you use an alcohol content of 60% or higher. Mix all ingredients to combine well. Don't let the solution get on your hands until you are ready to use it. Gather your ingredients, it only takes a few to make hand sanitizer. The essential oils you choose to use in your homemade hand sanitizer is your preference. However, some have more antiviral properties than others. A few good ones I like are tea tree, lavender, clove, eucalyptus, and peppermint. This recipe is for the gel hand sanitizer. 1 cup of isopropyl alcohol, at least 60%, half a cup of aloe vera gel for moisture, 10 to 15 drops essential oil of choice, and a container to store it in. Put all of the ingredients in a bowl or spouted measuring cup and mix to completely combine. Transfer the mixture into a squeeze bottle for on the go. Make sure to label the container hand sanitizer. Now let's make a hand sanitizer essential oil spray. You're gonna need boiled water that has been cooled or distilled water, 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, a squirt of aloe vera gel, 5 drops tea tree oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and a small spray bottle. Combine the witch hazel, the aloe and essential oils in the spray bottle. Give it a little swirl and fill the rest of the bottle with water. Add a label and it's ready to use. To use any hand sanitizer, squirt or spray the desired amount onto your hands and rub it in like lotion. Let it air dry and don't wipe off any excess. Using hand sanitizer while you are out doing errands reduces germs on the hands. However, hand washing following the CDC guidelines removes germs from the skin.